Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the past tense. Past tense, any activity that already happened in a past time reference. There are four kinds as you see here in the PDF: simple past, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous tense. First one is simple past tense. We use simple past tense for verb in the second form, or we say V2. Its explanation, we can say actions completed in the past. Any action that completes in the past, that is referred into this tense, past tense, simple past. Actions which happened at a specific point of time, already happened at a particular time, or past habits and past actions that happened immediately after the other. So every action that happens in the gone time, in the past time. Now come back to past continuous tense. We use past continuous tense for was, were plus V1 plus ing. V1 plus ing we can otherwise known as V4, that is present participle. So what are the details? An action that was in progress at a stated time in the past. So any action that was in the progress means continuous. It was going on in the past time. At the same time, a past action which was in progress when another action interrupted it. So when we want to refer that one second point, any past action which was going on, it was progressing, it was developing, it was growing. So at that time, when another action interrupted it, when another action comes and meet with this continuous, so we can say two actions in the past. One is going on. For third point about past continuous tense, two or more actions which were happening at the same time. So two or more actions that is happening in the past time reference, we can say it is in the past continuous tense. Examples: I was playing, he was playing, she was playing, it was playing. And past perfect tense. Past perfect tense, we use past perfect tense to talk about an action which was finished before another action that happened in the past. So past perfect, that action was finished before another action that happened in the past. So we can say had plus V3. Then we can, example, Rohit had already left when we arrived at the party. He had broken his leg and it was still hurting. Everything had seemed normal at first. So Rohit had left. Had plus V3. Left is the past participle or verb ka third form of the verb leave. Leave, left, left. Same way, he had broken. He had broken, had plus V3 broken. Everything had seemed, see, had seemed, seemed. And again come back to past perfect continuous tense. We use past perfect continuous tense to talk about a past action, any action that happened in the past action which started and finished in the past before another past action, putting emphasis on the duration. Or we can simply say about an action which lasted for some time in the past and the result was still visible. So any action that happened in the past, still the result is effective. And time expression used for since, until. These are the adverbs of time reference. So I hope you understood almost past tense, all the four different kinds, that is simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous tense.